Okay, so let's unbox my bag. Oh, why am I closing it? Okay, let me fix my hair first. Alright, so let's unbox. Oh, this is because this is like a Christmas party. So, and this one is from lots of papers. That is from Sister Rose Christmas card. I think that's my wallet, and that's my face powder. It's a Korean face powder. Actually, it's really from Korea, from Mary Ann. I mean, yeah. And that's what is that? I forgot. Of course, a pens, and that is my wallet. Let's see what's inside. I don't know if there's money in there. I think there's just papers. Oh, those are cards that I got. Gift cards. That is Starbucks gift card. Tsaka, ano pa pang mga nandyan? Wala. Oh, mayroong pera. $20. 20. Just in case. Kasi it's Christmas. Kaya baka may makitang bata. Bigyan ng $20, $10. And that's a Canadian dollar. 5 Canadian dollars. Parang leftover nung pumunta ako doon last June. Attend ako ng kasal ng friend ko. At saka, oh, ayan, loto. Hindi naman, lagi namang talo. Loto, $2 pa naman yan. At saka mga, oh, si Mama Mary. At saka, I think yan yung ACLS, BLS, ACLS at BLS card. Yung advanced cardiac life support, saka, basic life support. Yan, laman pa niyan. Ayan. Merong soda. Ayan, tinago ko pa kasi ayokong itapon siya. Kasi it's food. And it's bibingka and palitaw. Na-miss ko ang Filipino foods. Yun lang. Yun ang laman ng aking bag.